Did Roblox ban your Roblox account and you can play Roblox games from your Roblox account and you want to know how you can unban your account? If your Roblox account got banned for any reason temporarily or if your Roblox account got permanently banned, you got the right and perfect video to watch. Because in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process to unban and recover your banned Roblox account for free. You don't have to spend any dollars on that. Before we start, please watch this video carefully and follow all the processes. Otherwise, you'll not get your account back. So, let's get started. First, you need to open a browser. Type Roblox support. Tap on support Roblox. First, you need to set your birthday. Tap next. Now, please read everything carefully and try to enter the correct information. First, you need to enter the username of your Roblox account. Now enter the first name. After the name here, you need to enter your email address. Now confirm your email address. Now fill up your issue details. First, let them know about the device that you are having a problem with. Now choose your help category. Choose technical support. Tap this drop-down box. Choose Cannot Visit Experience. Now enter your message here. If you don't know what to write, you can copy my description and paste it here. Here, I wrote about the account ban for my Roblox account. Now, tap Submit. Now tap to prove that you are not a robot. After submitting your request, please wait about 24 and 72 hours. After that, the Roblox support team is going to reach you and they're going to unban your account. And they're going to give you further instructions to unban your account. Please let me know if you still have questions about the comment section. Thanks for watching.